Hello viewers, this is Krish from Informatica Customer Success Team. Today I'm going to discuss on the Cloud Data Quality Verifier asset. The Quality Verifier is basically an asset which is under a Cloud Data Quality services, can be used to verify an address, is basically evaluates accuracy and the deliverability of an address records for any incoming records for any different specific country or a specific region, and that can be used to identify the quality of the address, the deliverability of the address, whether any emails that we to send, any physical mails that we send, we will able to know, okay, these address can be deliverable. So that helps our customers to do the quality check of their incoming all addresses or any specific addresses within their database system. If you notice that the verifier is an asset to evaluate the accuracy and the deliverability of the address record, the verifier is actually used to determine the accuracy of the input address by providing the verification status as well as the match percentage. The match percentage indicates whether this particular address is mail deliverable or not. Let's discuss on the address verification process flow. That particular process flow, first of all, we have to identify what's the data source. It can be a relational database format. This incoming source can be a file. It can be any way which is readable within IICS. The second thing is we have to configure a verified asset of a data quality. The next flow will be it's when you configure as an asset, it becomes kind of a reusable object you can call in a data integration flow. So add that verifier to a mapping in a data integration process, and then you basically run the mapping. Once you run the mapping, you will get the output where your address will be standardized and you should be able to see the match percentage of it. Let me show you a demo how to use an address verifier asset within a data integration mapping. We have logged in an ISAS platform and we have chosen a data quality service. So under all the different services, we have chosen the data quality service from the drop down options on the top left corner, and you see there are couple of assets which are already pre-built, and that's a new sign where you can choose the verifier, and if you choose the verifier you should be able to configure it. For a demo purpose, I have already created a verifier asset. Let me open that and I will show you how I have configured it. Under definition, this is a free text. You should be able to provide it all the different informations that is required as a definitions. Once you click on the configuration, there are different mode on the input like discrete, hybrid, and multi-line. For this demo, I will be choosing a hybrid mode. As an input, I have chosen an address lines 1 and 2, and then I chosen a postal code, locality, and also I have chosen county in order to display as an output. So in the output, you can choose street, house number, postal code, depending on what exactly you wanted to display. But for this demo purpose, I have already selected this postal code, house number, street with a single element in the single address elements, and the status code, and also the match percentage. This verification status code and match percentage gonna help us to identify what's the quality of the data basically within in the aspect of an address, and it will gonna give us a confident whether this address is deliverable or not. Once this configuration is done, we should be clicking on hit on save, and the address will be saved as a asset. This particular um, uh, verified address validate demo, whatever I have written, this should be saved as an asset. This particular verified address validate demo, this asset I will be using within the data integration mapping, and then we'll use a sample data to correct, standardize, and to check the quality of it. This is a sample data that I'll be using to identify my quality of the data. So if you notice, employee ID, company name, address, city, county, state, zip, these all informations we have given, and looking at that values, we'll be see whether these address are mm, address deliverable, what's the match percentage of it. Let's move into edit integration. This is a folder where I have built the code. This is an existing code which I already created for this demo. This is a very simple code. um, in a source I am just reading this file, and then I'm doing some standard cleansing, and then after cleansing I'm passing all my inputs to the verifier, and after that I am loading that in a file. In this case I am writing into a file. If I click on here, you are seeing that I have already selected this file, employee address new.txt. This is a file that we'll be reading. The next step is we are passing all the input within this cleans asset. This is another asset within the quality service. um, if you click on cleans, you see that I'm calling this asset to do some standard cleaning with my input data, and these are our incoming fields: that address, city, company name, county, employee ID, state, zip. All fields are coming from source, and then they are passing into the cleans. The output fields we can see here is all these fields value which are already cleans. Once those outputs are ready, we'll be passing into the verifier. This verifier, all the incoming fields coming from the cleans, and then in the verifier asset, we are actually calling the reusable object that we created, that particular asset. Here I already manually mapped all the fields coming from these cleans to the target verifier where it's supposed to be mapped. Once everything is mapping done, and these are all my output fields that I am expecting to be written in my file as a target. And once your use case can be a database, you should be able to map directly. In the target, I already created a target, the emp address cleans.csv. That's one of my location. I'll be generating that file. Let's run this particular mapping and see how this file generates and what are the informations are there. Looks like the job failed. Have a look what exactly reason for failure. Okay, this file is already open. So let me close this file. Let's rerun the job again. Okay, this is succeeded. This is the location where I generated the file. Let's open this file now. Let's open the incoming address also in order to verify. If you notice, all these informations are present here, and it became individual. It's mapped all individual columns that we already chosen, and it gives me a verification status code. All those status codes are available in Informatica docs, and it also gives us a match percentage. If the first one is indicating 0, that means this address, the mail cannot be deliverable it. Whereas all those addresses which are indicating 97 to 92% indicates this definitely deliverable. So you can send mail to those addresses and they are deliverable. This completes a small demonstrations on a verifier asset in a data quality service. We love to hear from you. You can send your feedback or any comments to the support videos at informatica.com. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.